Once upon a time, there was a village of frogs, and many frogs lived together in harmony. However, the village had no king, and the frogs had always wanted one. So the frogs went to God and asked, "God, we want a king for our village. Please give us a king." So God dropped a log into the pond in the frog village. God gave the log to the frogs as their king, but when the frogs saw it, they were not satisfied with the stationary king, and wanted a different king. "God, we don't want a log, we want a king. Please give us a king." So God gave them an eel as their king, but when the frogs saw it, they were not satisfied with the eel, and wanted yet another king. "God, we don't want an eel, we want a king. Please give us a king." God got angry and gave them a snake. Then the snake ate all the frogs in the village, so no one could complain anymore.